Well, our next guest spends his time traveling up and down the coast as part of his television show California's Gold. Please welcome travel enthusiast Huell Howser.
Oh boy, oh wow, okay, so here we are folks and our adventure begins. Truly amazing. Now what is your name?
Hi, I'm Scott Aukerman. I'm the host of the show.
You're the host of this. Now what is this? This is a comedy gangbang?
No, the Comedy Bang Bang, it's a talk show.
Wait a second.
It's a lot like your show, but I'm the host and you're the guest.
And who's this right here to my left?
I'm Paul.
You're Paul, okay, so you're just Paul here sitting down on whatever that, what is that?
Couch.
This is a couch, and you're sitting in a little mini couch.
It's not a mini, I don't even know why I'm talking into this. It's not a mini couch, it's a chair, and you're on a couch. A couch is a longer version of it, please.
Okay, folks, so we're down here on Comedy Bang Bang, where the couches are longer versions than the chairs.
Huell, who are you talking to? Are you talking to my cameras?
Well, I'm just talking to Louise out there where the camera is.
Do you think that you're on a show right now other than my show?
I'm on the show, proving once again that California is full of mystery and wonder.
How does that prove it best? All right, so now, Huell, let's get to the interview here part of the show.
What is it that you're doing here today? You're making Christmas pancakes?
What?
So what is it that's going on here right now?
You got me, man. I have no idea.
Boy, my gosh, they're all confused here, and that's an amazing part of the mesmerizing tapestry that is our rich culture of California.
I think I see the problem is you're so used to talking into this and pointing it at people. If I could just get you to put that down.
Just hosting the show right there. No, you don't want to. No.
I just want to take this away from you. No, here, take it.
Mikey, reset, Huell. Well, folks, here we are in beautiful Yucaipa, California, where our adventure
We'll be right back.
Now, what is all this? Who are you?